Hi there, Matt here. Do you use your Gmail like a to-do list? Hopefully you do it with a bit more efficiency than some people do. But I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks and what is possible. So I've actually worked backwards in this case. Let's pretend an email has come through from Gmail and you want to send it to Trello. So Trello is like a Kanban, like to-do productivity app, which a lot of people seem to use, and there's a free version as well. In this case, a particular email has come through and we're going to send it to Trello automatically. So we'll show what that looks like. So here we go here. So here's an example. So I set it sends to the very top of this card here. So there was two trials I did. First one was actually sent the email, just the details, and the second one sent the subject and all the details of the body text as well. So here's an example. In this case here, it sent through the subject. It was a defined name to the actual card, so we just labeled that as Airtable's updates. In the description, it actually pulled all the text, the body text of the email directly into this card automatically. So we'll work backwards, show you how to do that. So this is what we did here. Select this module here, and we chose a particular view, a folder. It can be any folder you wish. This is another little hack. If you haven't set up your Gmail folders like this, let me know and I'll do another video on that because it saves a lot of time as far as filtering goes. So have action, review, and read. You don't want your inbox to be a to-do list by other people. So this is a quick way you can actually do that. But that can be another video in itself. Case here. So this module here is looking under the review folder, and we're just simply, so to be as granular as you wish, you can stop at this folder level. You had your inbox set up like a to-do list and you structure it, say, this way. You might have all your action items need to go to a to-do list. That would be fine. But if you want to be a bit more granular, you can click on the show advanced settings, which are down here, and you can actually type in the subject, and these are the criteria that it's looking for. So you do a search phrase. We're looking for anything that says Airtable in the subject line. You can do it by the sender as well. So I'll do OK. You can set when you want to go back and pull in information from a past time. I'm actually going to click on a particular time, this case here, that will find that data. So I'll do OK. So now what we do here in Trello, so we click on this module here, and at the very end of the video I can show you a quick overview of what else is possible in Gmail and how to quickly set that up as well. So in this case here, it's asking you need to map all your fields in your Trello. We've got it under the list, so priority for today. If you look back over here, list here, so we want it to go over here, and we want to name it Airtable's update. And it's actually mapped. So if you click on any of these red ones, it's color coded, which is quite great. That's why I like Integra maps. Very visual, very easy to use. It's as complex as you want it to be. You can do so many things. In this case here, we want, in the description, we want to pull a subject, so which is this one, what's new at Airtable, and the text. So it starts with this, so the body, new ways to collapse views, for instance. I'll pull over the other example again, so I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So the subject line, what's new in Airtable, and this is the whole body. So that's what we've done there in these two steps here. So we'll do OK, but what we'll do, we'll bring this over, do this live again. So now we're looking for, it's going to automatically put another item at the very top of this list. So the item, let's call it updates 1. Okay, so now when this comes through, it will go to the very top, and it'll be called Airtable's Updates 1. So let's just do that. Do OK. We're going to run that, and there you go. So it's popped in here. So Airtable's Update 1. Click on there, and there you have it. It's automatically put all that through. There's only a bit of setup we had to do at the very start. You can filter in the module itself. You can put in search phrases. You could even put in a filter. So if you had, sometimes you might want to stop all your checks here. That's another video in itself. But That's a very simple way to automatically send your items, action items, into something like Trello. So you could replace Trello with whatever productivity application you use. Another thing we can do is in Gmail, what's possible. If you go to the templates over here on the left, you type in Gmail. This is showing what's already pre-made. So there's configuration needs to be done. But you can see what else can be done. Gmail to your Google Calendar. You can go the opposite way as well. So Google Sheets to Gmail, so on and so forth. You could build this out quite elaborately. So that's just a 2-module one. You could be as extensive as you wish. Something like this. Just use your imagination how you could replicate and start by doing basic modules first by the 2-module linkages. And then you can automate so much more of what you generally do in your business. So anything that's repeatable, so your tasks that are repeatable, laborious, and obviously you don't want to do, and always ask yourself, what is your time worth? That's a simple way that we could use Gmail and send that information automatically to something like Trello or your productivity to-do list or your project management software. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions. Learn more, get in contact below as well. Thank you, Matt K, Build with K. Cheers. Enjoy the rest of your day.